How to change text color on any section in Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can change text color on any section in Shopify. To begin with, first thing first, log in into your account. For that, you need to open up a web browser. After that, on the web address bar, you'll need to type in admin.shopify.com. Make sure that you're already logged into your account. In order to make changes with the text color on Shopify, you'll need to head over to its dashboard page. While you're on this page, in the left hand side bar, click on Online Store. After that, multiple options will appear underneath. But then in the right hand side bar, you'll be able to see options such as themes. Here you need to scroll down a bit, and under theme you need to go ahead and tap on customize. So this is going to direct you to the customization page where you'll be able to see multiple interfaces. So here, in order to make changes with the text color, you'll need to first of all select where you actually want to make changes or select the text. After done selecting the text or the particular background where you actually want to make changes with your color, you'll need to scroll down to the bottom from the left hand side bar. After that, you'll be able to see an option as custom CSS right at the bottom. You'll need to tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, a code will appear right over here. So after you find the code, now you'll need to open up a new tab, and then on the web address bar you'll need to type in bestbean.com. I'll make sure to drop the link, and without accessing the particular link, you'll not be able to make changes with your color. So here you can see there's a code. You need to copy all of the code. After that, you need to head back to your Shopify account, and here you need to paste in the code. So you need to paste in the code right on top. After that, you need to copy the color code. You can see there's a color code here. You need to copy this and open up a new tab and then paste it on the other page. After that, you'll be able to see the color combination. So from here, you can just go ahead and pick a color. After done selecting the color code, you need to copy the code also underneath, and here you need to paste in instead of that. After that, click on the save button located right on top, and here you go that the color has been changed. So you can see that the color has been changed, and in this way you can make changes with your color combination on your Shopify account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.